Hi everyone! Welcome back to Kozy English. Today's story is about how a small, simple act can completely change someone's day. Let's begin. It was a busy Monday morning. The city was loud and people were in a hurry. Cars honked and the smell of coffee filled the air. Lily, a young woman, walked quickly toward her favorite cafe. She looked tired. She had barely slept. She was worried about an important work presentation. Her mind was full of stress. She whispered softly, "I hope today goes well." Inside the cafe, there was a long line. Lily sighed and looked at her watch. She thought, "Great. Now I'll be late, too." Just then, an old man entered. He was holding a small bag of groceries and looked a little confused. He slowly moved behind her in line. When it was Lily's turn to order, she noticed the man trying to find his wallet. His hands were shaking a little. He smiled nervously and said, "I'm sorry, I think I left my wallet at home." The people behind started to get impatient, but Lily paused for a moment and smiled. She said softly, "It's okay. I can pay for your coffee." The old man looked surprised. "Oh, no, you don't have to." But Lily insisted, "It's just coffee. Please, let me." They both waited for their drinks together. The old man thanked her again and said, "You've just made my morning brighter. Thank you, miss." Lily smiled. "You're welcome. Have a great day." It was a small moment, just a coffee, but something inside Lily felt lighter. Her stress faded a little. Kindness had changed her mood. Later that morning, Lily reached her office. Still a little nervous, but feeling calmer. She entered the meeting room, and guess what? The same old man from the cafe was there. He was sitting at the head of the table. He smiled and said, "Ah, it's you, the kind young woman who bought me coffee." Lily's eyes widened. He continued, "This is Mr. Walker, the company's new client. I'm happy to finally meet you." Everyone in the room looked surprised. Lily smiled shyly, and the meeting began with laughter and warmth. That day, Lily's presentation went perfectly. And more importantly, she learned something powerful. Sometimes, a small act of kindness doesn't just change someone else's day, it changes your day, too. So, next time you see someone who needs a little help, don't hesitate. Even a small smile or a cup of coffee can mean a lot. Thank you for listening to Kozy English Stories. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe and stay cozy.